refers to a stem cell's differentiation potential. Differentiation is the ability of a stem cell to specialize into a particular cell with a unique function in the body. A common misconception is that any kind of stem cell can differentiate into any type of bodily cell. While this is the reality for certain types of stem cells, many have a limited differentiation potential. There are four major categories regarding stem cell potency: totipotent, pluripotent, multipotent, and unipotent. The first two categories, totipotent and pluripotent, have the highest differentiation potential and can thus specialize into any of the roughly 220 types of tissue in the adult human body. In zygotic development, the earliest cells are totipotent. Totipotent cells have the ability to differentiate into any type of adult tissues in addition to the embryonic and placental linings of the uterus. Soon after totipotent cells create the placental lining, they begin to specialize into the pluripotent stage. Pluripotent cells, similarly to totipotent cells, can differentiate into any type of bodily tissue. However, unlike the totipotent stage, pluripotent cells cannot differentiate into the tissues of the placental or embryonic lining. Pluripotent cells are generally referred to as embryonic stem cells. The early formation of pluripotent cells are seen in the blastocyst, a small mass of stem cells that develop shortly after fertilization. Scientists originally acquired the first embryonic stem cells from an in vitro blastocyst, in vitro meaning in a petri dish. Within several weeks of zygotic development, all pluripotent stem cells have specialized and lost much of their original differentiation potential. These specialized stem cells are categorized as multipotent or unipotent. The multipotent category consists of cells that can differentiate into any lineage within an organ system. Unipotent stem cells, on the other hand, can only replicate into one type of cell. In the adult body, many unipotent or multipotent stem cells remain. These stem cells have extremely limited differentiation potentials. However, they can indefinitely replicate to create more cells in their respective systems. It is this perpetual replication which separates unipotent stem cells from normal bodily cells. Although most media attention is placed on totipotent or pluripotent embryonic stem cells, the multipotent and unipotent category play vital roles in adult tissues. Thus, multipotent and unipotent stem cells show that not all stem cells can differentiate into all bodily tissues. However, these cells play an important role in the human body. I don't know what to do.
It's really long.
No, it's not. It's like 2 minutes.